This is Brittany's playtime. Yay! Hello guys. Hi guys, welcome back to Brittany's playtime. We are going to be playing with these little truck things, and they mow and they have these really cool molds and stuff. This is shaped like a cricket, and this one picks up things and really cool. And over here has molds. It's ready, and it also comes with these buckets, and inside there's sand. So smooth, you guys. So let's match it with the yellow color. This comes with more sand, and it's really smooth as well. And oh guys, and it also has mold in it too. This is like a road. So let's put it with the green colors. Okay. Look guys, if you see over here, it has little marks, and it's just these marks. Okay, we are going to be making some molds and making some stuff. So we're going to take the green sand. Well, it's not green, but we're going to take sand from the green bin. Okay. Oh, it's really hard to get out. Okay, guys. We'll get just a little bit more, and then we'll start. Whoa. So this has a row thing on it, but we're gonna try something. Oh, maybe we'll flatten it. Ready, guys? It's gonna go on top. Whoa, look, guys. It made these cool marks. I think that's pretty awesome. Let's build some other stuff with it. And then if you see right here, it has molds and molds in here too, like a hammer and stuff. So we're gonna make barrels. Let me get the sand in there. And all you do is just push it. And there we go, guys, and they can crush the barrels. They can run over them. And then we'll get onto the yellow one next, like this. And they crushed it, you guys. Okay, let's move on to this one, and then we'll talk more about the other ones. So we're just gonna use the same. Actually, we're gonna grab another one. Okay, so we're gonna grab it from the yellow. You guys can check out this while I get the sand out. Okay. So here's some of the sand. Let's grab a little bit more. Whoa, that was big. Okay, you guys, and now you can mold it whatever you want in your hand, but we're gonna try this out. I think you can actually mold it on here. So it has this cool texture, you guys. See, it has this cool texture. And now up in here, this is to scoop stuff up. But if you open it, it has another mold. This is so cool, you guys. So awesome. Oh, this is Bob the Builder trucks. Open it, and then it's just this little square shape. But then on the bottom, it's this little row kind of thing. Okay, let's see what else it has. Oh, my favorite. On the bottom, it has this kind of grass kind of thing. And then guys, if you push this down, it puts it down as well. So let's make a mold, you guys. So we're gonna make it big. We're gonna push down with all your might. Oh, okay. Look, guys. Whoa. I think that's pretty cool. Oh, it feels cool. Okay, we're gonna see what else this has. And that's basically it for this one. And it can also scoop up, as I said. And it can move really easily. Wow. Some things I didn't mention on this one is it has molds on that side too. And if you lift this up, it has molds in there too. I think that's pretty cool. So do you guys want to see what the molds look like? I haven't seen them either. But let's see. Okay, we're gonna mold. Probably gonna mold all of these, like right there. Oh, whoa, look you guys. I feel like these are chips and like these are a little shovel. Okay, let's crush it up. Okay. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And bye, guys. Thanks for watching.